In this class, we are looking at joint variation. Joint variation. And joint variation is the relationship between three quantities, such that one quantity can either vary directly with two other quantities, or it can vary with one quantity and varies inversely with other quantities. Joint variation is the relationship between three quantities, such that one quantity can vary either directly with two other quantities, or it can vary directly with one and inversely with the other. Joint variation have the following model. It's either you have x vary directly with y and z. This means x vary directly with y and z, or x can vary directly with y and inversely with z. So you can have this format: x vary directly with y, vary directly with z, or x varies directly with y and inversely with z. So these are examples of joint variation. In this first example that you have now, you have A vary directly with B and C. A vary directly with B and C. Then how do you proceed with joint variation? Let's use this example. Now you have A vary directly with B and C. When B is 4 and C is equal to 9, A is 6. So you have A vary directly with B and C. Remove this proportionality symbol and introduce your constant K as usual. So you have A is equal to K times B, C. So you have K, A is equal to K, B, C. Then substitute your value, or B, C, K, as the case may be. Let's follow alphabetical order. Then if I substitute my value here now, A, to get my constant, A is C, A is 6, B is 4, then C is 9 times K. So you have 6 is equal to 32K. So let me clean this please. Okay, this is 36K. So if I substitute my value now, if I divide both sides rather by 36, I will have K. So you have K is equal to 6 over 36. That is K is equal to 1 over 6. Substitute the value of K is equal to 1 over 6 here now to get a relationship between A, B, C. From A is equal to B, C, K now. You have A is equal to B, C times 1 over 6. So my A is equal to B, C over 6. So this now is the formula connecting A, B, and C. Now to find A when B is 3 and C is 10 now, I will now start from this formula. I don't need to go back again. I will start from this formula. The formula that we have is A is equal to, this is A, so I'm in B now. The A is equal to BC over 6. So I'm looking for A now, so A will be here. B is 3, C is 10, and this is 6. So you have A is equal to 30 divided by 6. So my A is equal to 5. Now the C, find C when A is this. From this place also, I have A is equal to BC over 6. So A is 20, so I have 20. B is equal to 15, so I have 15C over 6. This over 1, I will cross multiply. So 15C times 6 will give me 15C times 1 equal to 20 times 6. So you have 15C here is equal to 120. Then C, divide both sides by 15. 120 over 15. So you have 120 over 15. Then C should be equal to 8. So this is how to get your value. So this is example of joint variation. We look at one more example in the next question.